Welcome to the Google Developer Machine Learning Text Recognition. Okay, so we're on the text recognition and we're on the MLCAT text recognition that can recognize text in Chinese, Japanese, Korean, and Latin character set. The API can also be used to automate data entry tasks such as processing credit cards, receipts, and business cards. So if somebody hands you a business card, they can automatically just take that picture and it will enter that data. If you code an intent, they can put that name in the contact provider, or you can upload it to the cloud or send an email using an intent. And here, if we scroll down the page, this is kind of an example of a business card, and this is the text that it picked up. And today we're going to be doing Android, and we're going to be coding it in Java. The part one to this is going to be the introduction, and then the part two will be the code. So here on this particular page, you have unbundled and bundled. Now, if you're going to be uploading this up to Google Play, definitely use the unbundled. The unbundled is a lot less coding than it is for the bundled. And the Google Play services, as you can tell, it has 260 KB versus the bundle, which is 4 megabytes. Also, I want to tell you that the API requires Android API level 19 or above and uses a minimum SDK version value of 19. Let me see. So here it has for bundling the model with your app. This is the code if you're going to use the bundle. However, if you're going to use the Google Play services, and the one that we're coding, we use the Google Play services. And so we're going to use these dependencies right here. And if you were not going to use the Google Play services, then you would use these dependencies. And this is the Android manifest file. You include com.google.mlkit.vision.dependencies. And as far as the text recognizer, I decided to do something a little bit different. I chose Chinese. I wanted to get a picture of a tablet, and I wanted it to grab the Chinese text off of the tablet. And this is to prepare the input image. So you definitely want to prepare the image. So what you're going to do, you're going to be taking the picture of the business card or tablet, whatever you're trying to get the text data from. And these are the different ways that you can get the image from the camera. And then we'll be using the bitmap. This is easy. And process the image. So we're going to have the task text result, recognizer.process image. And then the text recognizer, this is where it grabs the get text and throws it into the string of block text. And then it goes to the different for loops, and the string gets concatenated. So this is absolutely was straightforward. So what I'm going to do now, I'm going to show you what it looked like. Here I am going to click on the text recognition button, and I'm going to take a picture of some Chinese writing that I have on my computer. So I'm going to click on take a picture, and I'm going to resize it a little bit. Might get other text in there. This is good. Okay. And then I'm going to click the check mark. And there you go. And then I'm going to click the detect button. And voila. There goes the Chinese writing that it got from the image. And then next I'm going to be doing the translation from Chinese to English. And I'll be linking everything together